Hi guys. So today I'll be making fried yam and sauce. I just felt like eating something fried, and I decided to do fried yam and sauce. So I'm going to take you through how I make my own yam and sauce. Let's go. So first off, I have my yam here. I already peeled it. I washed it thoroughly. Then I salted it already. Then I have my oil in the pot already. I want it to get hot for me to start frying. Pour my onions in the pan. I'm trying to make my sauce for my fried yam. Just fry your onions for a bit. Okay, this is just my rodo, tatache, and tomatoes. Okay, just cover it a bit. So I added a bit of fish. I don't want it to look empty and dry. Just going to cover it for 3 more minutes and our sauce is done. Guys, so this is the outcome of my fried yam and sauce. I added a little bit of fish. I have that in the house, so I want to be that happy that when you get something good. We don't use spoon over here. Wait, sorry. So good. Yeah, cool. I'm going to put some